Teacher Rose. Kan ka na, Zay? What's your name? Can you say my? Wow. How old are you? Ganito ay. I'm 4. Can you say I'm 4? Okay. Where are you from? I'm from Vietnam. Wow. That's good. Okay, now let's learn numbers. Are you ready? Yes. Good job. What number is this? Number 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, very good number. What number is this? Number?
2,
This one.
8,
Oh,
5, 6, 3,
good job.
10.
Nice one. Evan again. Nice. Okay, now let's have alphabets. What about this? Do you know this one? Letter. What letter is this?
A,
Okay.
B, C, D, E,
F,
F, G,
H,
H,
I,
I, J, K, L,
M,
L,
N,
L, R,
P,
P,
Q,
Q,
R,
R,
S,
S, T,
T. Good. U,
U,
V.
W,
Very good. X,
H,
Y,
Y,
Z.
Z,
Okay. What letter is this? Letter. What letter is this? Letter. D. Okay. What letter is this?
A,
This one. This one. What letter is this?
E,
It's I. This one is E. This one is I. What letter is this again?
E,
E. Very good. And this one? I.
I,
E.
E,
I.
I.
Okay. Now let's have colors. Let's learn about colors. What color is